Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. So let's solve this question here which says, which among the following is true regarding secondary sludge? Option A, formed by primary sedimentation. Option B, formed by primary filtration. Option C, formed by non-biodegradable materials. Option D, formed after microbial consumption of organic waste. You would say. Okay, organic waste. So let us see the question. It says, which among the following is true regarding secondary sludge? So what do you mean by secondary sludge? When we hear the term secondary sludge, what comes to your picture? Okay, it comes, that is the, or you can say, the sewage treatment or wastewater treatment comes into our mind. Sewage treatment. And you mainly have two stages here, that is primary and secondary. Which are the stages? Primary treatment, okay, and you have secondary treatment. You also have tertiary, but mainly we consider primary and secondary treatment. Now, when you're talking about primary and secondary treatment, the very important step in primary, the first step is filtration. Okay, filtration. Then, of course, the first sedimentation here itself. So there is grits which get sedimented. Okay, and this will be the sediment which will settle down. Okay, whereas the liquid part, that is the effluent will be taken into settling tank. What is this? Settling tank. And what you get after settling, we call it as primary sludge. What is this? Primary sludge. Now, what in the question they have asked? Secondary sludge. So, what is a secondary sludge? Now, this effluent, whatever is there, the liquid part, that will be taken for the secondary treatment. Here, the first step is aeration. So, aeration is done in the aeration tank, where there is mixing, there is aeration, and hence there will be growth of a lot of bacteria and fungi, which will further, they will reduce the BOD. How do they reduce? By oxidizing the organic material. Okay. So when they oxidize the organic material or digest the organic material, what will happen? The BOD of the water will get reduced. And after that, when they allow to sediment, so what you get in the tank is the activated sludge, or you can say secondary sludge. Okay. So that is how it forms. That is after the BOD reduction. That is after organic matter is digested. And further, this secondary sludge will be treated by anaerobic process. Okay, where the flocks which are formed by the aerobic bacteria and fungi will be digested further by anaerobic bacteria. And then the effluent will be filtered or chemically treated and then will be released into the water body. So let us see. It says, which among the following is true regarding secondary sludge? Option A, formed by primary sedimentation. No. Option B says, because primary sedimentation, that is primary sludge which is formed. Option B says, formed by primary filtration. So by filtration, you don't get any sediment because you are filtering it, right? But if you are allowing to settle, you can say grit sedimentation. Hence it is ruled out. Option C says, formed by non-biodegradable material. So it is not formed by or after whatever it is, non-biodegradable material, because here we speak about digestion of the organic waste, which is after which there is reduction in the BOD, and after which when it is allowed to settle, what forms the sediment is this secondary sludge. So option D says formed after microbial consumption of organic waste. That is absolutely fine. Okay, that is absolutely right. So secondary sludge is also called as activated sludge. Why? Because it consists of active aerobic bacteria and fungi which will consume the organic waste and reduce the BOD, biological oxygen demand. So what is the answer? The answer is option D. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you.